welcome to the Shilpa Shetty channel, and this is the art of loving food. The world is going green and everyone seems to be on a health drive, and nutrition is on the top of the list. While people are obsessing over green juice, मैंने सोचा why not make a low-fat green pulao using brown rice. As you all know, brown rice is rich in fiber and minerals. Usually it takes a very long time to cook, but I have a secret. And here it is, Dawat brown basmati rice. And guess what? The USP of this rice is that it cooks in just 15 minutes, which is ideal for pulaus. This rice is genuine because it has its full bran intact and turns out to be really soft and tasty. So let's get started. So you take a cup Dawat brown basmati rice and we soak it. Okay. We soak this for around 15 minutes. I don't shy away from ghee, so I'm using a tablespoon of ghee. Now ghee is hot. Just add a bay leaf, a star anise, 3 ilaichi, 4-5 cloves. Add in a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. One teaspoon of jeera powder. Now we add in the soaked brown rice. And now we add in our steamed broccoli, जिसे मैंने grate किया है. बहुत कम steam करिए because इसको अभी पकना भी है. French beans, some peas. I love matar wale chawal. Now we add in our veg stock, around 1.5 cups. Add in our salt. Now we add half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper and some fresh crushed pepper. This is one way of making your kids eat broccoli and veggies without them even knowing it. Ta-da! Your steaming hot, low-fat green pulao is taiyar. Serve it with your favorite raita or a gravy, और ये बन जाएगा एक complete meal. I have cooked it with Dawat brown basmati rice, which makes it soft and tasty. And look at it, you can actually see. So try कीजिए इस recipe को, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. तब तक के लिए स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो.